The plate is the sky, the red sky of our life. A vault. Beneath it lies utter magic, the tongue. Nothing is faster than the human brain except, they say, the tongue. I travel via thoughts. Within a millisecond, I arrive from here to your moon or your sun. But the way to your mind, soul, and heart takes eternity. The pages of this book are maps I leave from that journey. Tastes and flavors of love on my native tongue. Language rests on my tongue. Wherever you are in this magnificent world, when you open the book, you will travel and realize how my heart beats. By seeking me, you will find yourself.